Janina, and this week we're going to be doing a couple of things starting with my bedroom. So I actually have a couple of small things I need to fix. The first is with these lamps that I have on either side. I just really want to place the switch in a convenient spot so that when I'm laying down at night I can easily turn the lights on and off. I'm also really excited because last weekend my mom went estate sale shopping and happened to find a piece for me. We're gonna put that in this room as well, and yeah, I'm excited. And then finally, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do some baking. Alright, so I got these lamps on Facebook Marketplace, and I got them because I wanted lights next to my bed, but I have one on my nightstand, and I, as you can see, keep a lot of things on my nightstand, and so I needed this space and thought when I saw these they'd be perfect. They're also really nice because they're plug-in, and when you're a renter, obviously you can't really make the changes to electrical like you can when you own your home. So these were perfect. But again, I just want to put the little switch in a convenient location. Right now it's just kind of like at the bottom on the floor, and it's really annoying every night when I try to go to bed and want to turn the light off. It's not convenient. So I'm gonna pull this desk out so you can see where I'm working, and we can put it up together. I bought these cable clips, and we're gonna use these to secure the cord in place. So yeah, let's do it. So this is the switch. This is what we need to, basically this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the cable. You can see I already have one here, and we're gonna put this probably right next to my bed right here, so I can just reach over and flip the switch. So let's do that. I should have tested with some tape. I have tape. Should I test? I should test it before committing, but this is probably fine. I feel like I can reach it. I think this is too high though, but actually no, I don't think it's, I think I want it a little lower. I'm gonna get tape. I'm gonna get tape. A DIYer's best friend, painter's tape. I use this all the time, even for non-painting, right? This is too high up though, because the desk is I want it lower. Not desk, nightstand. Okay. It's down there. It'll be just visible. Maybe even that way, down that far down. It'll be just visible. Okay, let's test. Okay, so I'm in bed, I'm getting sleepy, then I just turn around and turn the light off. All right, let's put it on. I think that's good. So this is the side that my partner sleeps on. It's also clearly you can see up against the wall. It's not really visible. It's even got a different nightstand. So I don't don't think it's like that important. It'll be fine. What I'm trying to say, doesn't need to look like aesthetic or hidden very much. It's already very hidden. And it's really just my partner who uses this. And honestly, we never even turn this light on because I'm always the first to go to bed. And so I usually am on my side of the bed. So that's the light that's on. And this one kind of usually is not on. So you probably can't even see what I'm doing. I'm doing the same thing I was doing on the other side. So let's attach this to the wall. Okay, I think this is a good height. So let's just throw it on there. So the piece my mom got from an estate sale is actually going to be going on top of my desk. And I love this desk. It's a little beat up, but it actually was my neighbor's desk. It was like her childhood desk when she lived in Germany. It's a beautiful mid-century modern piece. The veneer is chipping in a lot of places, and I was actually even looking into it last night of like how hard is it to replace veneer, and I think it is something I will do in the future, but not now. But something to maybe look forward to is updating the veneer on this desk. It's very beat up. I have like some ring stains, chipped veneer, you name it, it's been through it, but I really love this desk. So first, let's clean up the tabletop a bit, clear some space for what's gonna go on top, and then I'll reveal it to you. Time for the reveal. So I know this isn't really a DIY. In truth, it was my mom who did all the DIYing. She really put a lot of love into freshening up this piece. I believe what she found out about it is that it's from like the 1920s, 1930s era. And it's so cool that it has these drawers. I don't know what I'm gonna put in them at the moment. I was hoping that my meds would fit, but alas, it is too big of a box. Maybe if I took them out of here, they would fit. But overall, it's really cute. I really like it. And I love that it's an old piece. You can see like the patina in the corners here, which is really, really cute and charming and gives that like vintage, like almost reminds me of like the radio flapper era, you know. So I'm really happy with it. It's really cute. My little desk setup. And yeah, I'm really pleased. So it's my friend's birthday this weekend, and I'm gonna make her a ruffle cake, or also known as a lambeth cake. I've made it once before. It was actually my brother's birthday last weekend, and it was like my first attempt at ever making one of these cakes. So I'm gonna use that same technique to make my friend's cake this coming weekend, but I need to go get more eggs. So I'm gonna quickly run across the street to Trader Joe's, pick some eggs up, and then we're gonna get baking. so much fun. Everyone loved the cake, and they kept being like, oh my god, you made that? Which is like always what you want to hear as a baker. So yeah, it was just great, and I am so happy with these new little light switch placements. I think it's gonna be really easy when I'm sleepy and ready to like actually go to bed. And yeah, so thanks for joining me. Good night. See you next week. Thanks for watching.